Now we are going to see about a three-letter words, children. Please listen carefully. I have kept three cards. One is I, N, G. I, N, G. Okay, come on. Tell me the sound of the each letter. What is the sound of the letter I? E. What is the sound of the letter I? E. What is the sound of the letter N? Na. Na. N. What is the sound of the letter G? G. Ing. Ing. Okay. We have to pronounce ing as ing. Ing. Okay. Let's tell me one more time. I just kept three cards, isn't it? First one is I and second one is N and third one is G. Okay. How to pronounce ing? Ing. 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 Okay, now I am going to keep this three card as same and I am going to introduce a new card K. I am going to introduce a new card K and going to keep here. Now just read. Now just see here. I am going to hide this. Okay. Now I am going to hide this. Wait. I am going to hide this. What is the pronunciation of ing? Ing, isn't it? Okay. Now tell me what is the sound of K? King, 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 king. Okay. Now you get the sound of the king. Listen it. I-N-G, ing. Okay. What is the sound of K? King, kung. It's not kung. It's a king, key. And the E, you want to mention that E sound here. Okay. King. Okay. Listen, I am going to keep another new letter. Okay, once again I am just recalling what is the sound of the ing? Ing sound. Okay, you have to pronounce it like ing. Okay, now I am going to keep a new letter. What is this? What is this letter? R. Very good. What is the sound of the R? Ru. Ring. Ru-ing. Ring. 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 Okay, now we are getting the sound ring. Yes. What is the sound of the R? Ru, isn't it? What is the sound of the ing? Ing, isn't it? So ring, ring, ring. Okay. Now I am kept this card here. Then again I am just recalling this. Okay. What is the sound of ing? Ing. What is the sound of ing? Ing. Okay. Now I am going to keep one more card here. This is yes. Yes, very good. Okay, now tell me the sound of the yes. Shing, shing, sing, sing. Now you are getting the sound of the sing. Yes. Okay, now tell me one more time. What is the sound of ing? Ing, isn't it? What is the sound of yes? I am keeping the s here. Shh. What is the sound of the yes? Ish. Shh. Okay, I told you, no. I told you when you are making noise, what will your teacher will say? Shh. She will keep her forefinger on her mouth and will say shh. The same sound. Shing, shing, shing. Okay. I am keeping the K here. Listen it carefully. Okay. What is the sound of ing? Ing, isn't it? What is the sound of the K? King, king, king. Okay. I am keeping the R here. Listen carefully. What is the sound of the R? Ru. What is the sound of ing? Ing. Ring. 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 Okay. One more time I am repeating. What is the sound of ing? Ing. What is the sound of ing? Ing. Okay. We have kept the ing as common and we have introduced three new letters in front of here, isn't it? In front of the ing. Okay, and we haven't seen the different kinds of words. Now you got, children, now you got clearly. Shall we move to the next exercise? Okay, children, now I am going to introduce the two new card A and R. Okay, what is this? What is the sound of A? What is the sound of R? Ru. R. A-R, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of A-R? R. Okay, now I am going to keep a T here. I am going to keep a T here. Now just pronounce it A-R-R-T, art. Okay, now you are able to read it, isn't it? I see your smiles. Okay, A-R-R-T, art, art. isn't it? Okay, listen carefully children. So what is the sound of A and R? R. R. Now I am keeping T here. Then it sounds R. What is the sound of T? T. Art. Very good children. Okay. Now I am keeping F. Letter F here. Okay. Okay. Now just tell me what is the sound of A, R? R. Isn't it? What is the sound of A, R? R. What is the sound of F? F. Fur. Fur. Far. Okay, now we are getting the sound of far. Yes. F. What is the sound of F? F. Isn't it? What is the sound of the F? F. Okay, what is the sound of A and R? R. Far. 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 Yes. Okay, now I am going to introduce two new chords. One is here and another one is here. Wait and see. I will tell you. Okay, now I am going to keep a H here. Okay. And I am going to keep D here. Okay, now tell me what is the sound of A and R? R, isn't it? What is the sound of H? Ha. Har. What is the sound of D? D. Hard. 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 Okay, I have just kept two new chords. One is in front of the A and one is behind here at the end of the R, isn't it? Okay, first is sound of the H is ha. Okay, what is the sound of A and R? What is the sound of A and R? R. What is the sound of D? D. Hard. 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 Okay. Okay, now I am just keeping the H and D here. Okay, now I am going to again introduce two new chords. One is here and another one is here. Okay, now just tell me what is the sound of A and R? R, isn't it? What is the sound of D? D. Okay, isn't it? What is the sound of D? D. Dar. What is the sound of K? K. Dark. Dark. Okay, listen carefully children. What is the sound of A and R? R, isn't it? What is the sound of D? D. Dark. Dark. Okay, now we are getting the sound of dark. What is meant by dark? Something which we cannot see, isn't it? Which is sometime the power will gone, the house will become very dark, isn't it? The house will become very black. No, that is called dark. We cannot see anything on the dark, isn't it? Okay children, now listen one more time carefully. I just kept the common words A and R here. A and R here. What is the sound of A and R? R. What is the sound of A and R? R. Okay, I have just kept the T here. Then it sounds art. Art. Okay. Then I kept F before A. Then I got the sound far. 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 Okay. Then I kept a two card here. One is H, another one is D here. Okay, then I got the sound like hard. Hard. Okay, what is the sound of H? Ha. Ha. Hard. Hard. Okay, I just kept here. Now I am keeping one more two card here. One is before and one is after R. Listen carefully. What is the sound of A and R? R, isn't it? What is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of K? K. Dark. 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 Isn't it? Now you can able to see it. Okay, let's just listen carefully. What is the sound of the A and R? R, isn't it? What is the sound of D? D. Dark. 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 Okay, now you got the children? Yes, we just kept the two card remain same and we have seen a lot of words in that. Okay, okay, let's see one more interesting cards. Using the cards we can learn the interesting words. Before that I am seeing some of them lazy. Shall we sing a song? Shall we sing our alphabetic song? Okay, let's join together and we sing a song together. Okay. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P, L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T, U-V-W-X-Y-Z, X-Y-Z, X-Y-Z. Okay, children, now you cheer up. Let's go to the next words. Okay, children, now we are going to study about another new different words. Listen, here I just kept the two new cards, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of E? I. This is what is the sound of R? R. 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 The letter E and R, the sounds like R. R. Okay, R. R. Okay, now I'm going to keep this two letter card remain same. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the three new cards here. W, A, T, E and R. Okay, listen. What is the sound of E and R? R. Okay, just don't forget that. What is the sound of E and R? R. Okay, now tell me what is the sound of W? W. 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 T. What? R. Water. Okay, now we are getting the sound of the water. Yes, now we are able to read the water. Very nice, children. Very nice. Just listen carefully. What is the sound of E and R? R. Isn't it? What is the sound of E and R? R. Okay. Now just listen carefully. W. What is the sound of W? V. What is the sound of A? Va. Va. What? 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 R. Water. Okay. Now we're getting the sound of water. Yes. Okay. Now I'm just keeping this card behind here. I'm going to keep another three letter card. B. A. K. Okay, now listen, children, listen carefully. I've already told what is the sound of E and R. 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 Isn't it? What is the sound of B? Ba. What is the sound of A? A. Ba. Bak. Bak. What is the sound of K? K. What? Bak. Bak. What is the sound of E and R? R. Backer. Backer. Baker. 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 Okay, what is the sound of B? Backer. Backer. Okay, it's called baker. Okay, that one who doing the baking items we called as baker. Now I'm just keeping the three letters card behind. Now I'm going to introduce another three letters. D, I, N and one more N. Okay, children, now listen carefully, listen carefully. Now you are able to see it clearly. Okay, children, now I just kept three new cards, D, I, N, N. Okay, I just kept four new cards, D, I, N, N. Okay, then I have already told you the sound of E and R is R. 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 Okay, now tell me, what is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of N? N. Din. Okay, if the same words come, then it will be pronounced like longer. N. If suppose the O comes here, we have to pronounce O. If double N means long sound. Okay, if the same word comes between the any words means the same word should be pronounced like long. For example, here N is coming, isn't it? Here there are two N. Okay, then we have to pronounce it longer. N. Okay, in case if suppose if two O has come in means we have to pronounce like O. Okay, if two same words comes means we have to pronounce it longer. Okay, now tell me dinner. Okay, we have to pronounce it longer. N, isn't it? Dinner. dinner. Okay, dinner. Okay, what is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of E? I, E. What is the sound of the double N? It's a long pronunciation. N. Dinner. 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 Yes, now you are able to read this for 5 letters word very easily. Okay, children, now I am going to introduce a again new word. Okay, children, we have so far we have learned about 5 letters word. Now we are going to learn about 6 letter word, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to make you very easy how to read 6 letter word. You already know this 2 letter word sounds E and R. What is the sound of E and R? Ir, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of B? Ba. What is the sound of I? E. Okay, if two word comes, if two T or two N or two O, any word same, two word or same means we have to pronounce it longer. Okay, what is the sound of T? T. So we have to pronounce it longer because the two T has come in here. Okay, how to pronounce it longer? T. T. We have to pronounce it longer. Okay, now just we will begin from here. Bitter, bitter. Okay, b, and that sound. This is E. Bitter, bitter, bitter. Okay, bitter means some taste which gives a bitter taste. Like if you eat something like neem leaves. If you eat neem leaves means what is the taste? That is called a bitter, which don't you like actually. Yes, the children don't like the bitter taste. It is, isn't it? Did you love the bitter gourd? Yes, but it is very good for your health. Okay, we have to eat a lot of bitter gourds. That will avoid that worms coming on your stomach. Okay, it will avoid that worms in the stomach. Okay, we have to eat some bitter taste also. Okay, okay, children. Okay, now just listen carefully. One more time, I am telling children. Listen. E and R sound is er, er, er. Okay, now I am just coming from here. Bit. When two words same, then we have to pronounce it like longer. T. Or if it comes O means O. If it comes P means P. Okay, like that. Bitter, bitter, bitter. Okay, children. Now you can able to read the 6 letter words very easily. Okay, children. Let's see the another set of words, children.